Welcome to the HMAR Mobile Tech channel. I'm doing a mobile job right now on a 2022 Subaru Impreza 2-liter. I'm doing a front brake job. For a second I got a little bit stuck. I ran into a little problem here trying to get the rotor off, and as you can see I started banging on it here, and then I was thinking, well, why isn't this coming off? And I'm like, well, the axle nut isn't preventing it from coming off. And then I'm like, okay, well, I see these two threaded holes here, and this is very common in automotive, and especially when you're trying to draw something off the reverse way of putting it on. And so there's these two threaded holes in the rotor here, and then I just used the caliper bolts because I'm doing a brake job on it and I didn't have any spare bolts around. If you have spare bolts, it's better to use those because you don't want to damage these, but if you do, you have the M8x1 die that you can use, and you can clean up the threads if you ended up having to do that. Without anything else to show you or anything else to say, you did a good job. Subscribe, like, and share. Watch some of my other videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.